There will be 4 eclipses in the year 2021, including one total solar eclipse and one total lunar eclipse, but only 2 will be visible from India. Ujjain-based Jivaji Observatory's Superintendent Dr. Rajendra Prakash Gupta said on Sunday. He told media that the first of these events will be on May 26th and will be seen in parts of West Bengal, coastal Odisha and in the northeastern states except Sikkim, as the moon is visible earlier in these places than other parts of the country. The earth will cover the moon by 101.6% during the astronomical event, he said. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. Mr. Gupta said the annular solar eclipse on June 10 will not be visible in India, and in this event the moon will come between the sun and earth, leading to the sun getting covered 94.3% and being seen as a ring of fire. He said the partial lunar eclipse on November 19 can be seen from Arunachal Pradesh and some parts of Assam for a very short period. At the peak of this event, 97.9% of the moon will be seen covered by the Earth's shadow. The total solar eclipse on December 4th, the last of 2021, will however not be visible from India, he added. This year, there were 2 solar and 4 lunar eclipses. Earlier this month, the great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn was seen in most of the parts worldwide. In Goa also, conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn was seen. Here are some of the visuals. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.